Welcome to another 30 questions with Jack Wicks, and we're going to get straight into it.
Do it.
Why property?
Because it makes loads of money.
Favourite strategy?
Social housing.
Favourite biscuit?
Chocolate digestive.
It's my favourite.
It's a classic.
You like Jaffa cakes?
It's not a biscuit.
It's a cake. Okay. Favourite holiday destination?
Mexico.
Hobbies?
Watching Formula One.
Okay.
Does that count?
Goes against the question I was going to ask you a little bit later on.
Okay.
But yep. Favourite colour?
Green.
Do you have a favourite car?
Not really.
Nothing.
It would have to be McLaren. Again, goes back to F1.
Okay. Do you know what McLaren?
No. The sporty one.
The sporty one. TV programmes, are you into them?
Yes.
What's your favourite?
It's tough. It changes all the time. I'm a Netflix whore.
Okay.
But it would probably, it's got to be The Office, old school.
Okay. Films? Big film buff or not?
Not massive, but again, you've got your classic old comedies. Anchorman,
Okay.
that type.
Are you into comedies more than anything else?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does that go against another question?
No, I like that. Favourite actor or actress, whether it's in film or TV?
Actor, Ricky Gervais, all day long.
Goes hand in hand with The Office, obviously. As soon as you said
Absolutely.
Office, I knew you was a big...
Absolutely.
It's because of him, isn't it?
Yeah.
YouTube, in one word, describe it.
Informative.
Nice, like that. Smart or casual dress sense?
Casual. Smart casual.
Smart, casual. Last book you read?
What is it called? How Not to Give a Fuck, or what was that one called?
I have no idea.
Yeah, it's Some Art of Not Giving a Fuck.
It sounds like a book you would write.
Yeah, I know. It gave me a lot of ideas.
Favourite subject at school?
Sport. PE.
Gym, Alan Shearer called it.
Yeah.
So, sport. Next one is biggest phobia.
Heights.
Just terrified of them.
Glass lifts in stuff like that. Yeah, it gives me. It's like someone's grabbing me by the balls.
Okay. Biggest inspiration?
That's a really tough one. I don't know. I wouldn't be able to tell you off the top of my head.
Okay.
It changes all the time. There's no one in particular.
Favourite person in property?
You're angling for this, aren't you?
No, because this could mean an array of things.
Do you know what? And it has to be Rob Moore, because he got me into not just property. He was the first person I watched on YouTube, but also personal branding.
Yep.
Learned a lot from him for that as well, so it'd have to be Rob Moore.
Good. What is your goal?
Look after friends and family, and never have to worry about money again.
Was that your goal when you started?
No.
What was your goal when you started?
Make loads of money and buy loads of expensive stuff.
Okay. Best friend?
I've got a few best friends. We've got a really good group of mates, so there's like 4 or 5 of them.
So you can't pick one in case they watch it. Work from the office or work from home?
Home.
Favourite food?
Would be Thai food.
Eat in or takeaway?
Takeaway.
Batman or Superman?
I'm not a child.
Not into them at all?
That's offensive.
No. I'm
genuinely
Spider-Man.
not. No, genuinely not.
Spider-Man.
No, I'm an adult.
Favourite sport?
Formula One now.
Favourite sport to play?
It was football, but I got no knees left. So yeah, it was football.
Dream home location?
Would be, went to Berkhamsted the other day.
Okay.
Unreal. But somewhere in the Surrey Hills probably. Not too far from where I am now.
Why did you stop teaching?
Because people pretend they want to learn, but don't. They want to be given stuff. And that becomes frustrating as a teacher who's teaching them stuff they can actually use.
Okay. Thoughts on deal sources?
Most cretins, some very good, and if you get the right ones, they can make your life a whole lot easier. Find you deals you'd never be able to find, take all the stress and hassle away from property investing.
And finally, one piece of advice that you would give to someone starting out in property?
Lead with the outcome that you want and fit the strategy to that outcome, not the other way around.
30 questions, over and out.